Hi, today in front of me Motorola One 5G Ace, and I'll show you how to turn on Always On Display option on this device. So just to do that, we should first get the application from the Play Store, and name of this app is the Muviz Edge. So now we should get this application, that's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. So we should get this application because unfortunately we have now installed by default the AOD option on our Motorola device. That's why we should use this app, and just click to open the app, click to draw our apps, and after that just tap to Muviz Edge here on this list of Apple, tap to the switcher and go back to the application. Switch Edge lights to the AOD, select one from these available tabs and tap to apply. Now just let's lock our phone and we can see that the Always On Display feature is successfully activated. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.